If you need to update your phone number on Kayak, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Kayak website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your account to make changes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your name or an icon. Step 3. Find contact information. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Contact Information or Profile. This is where you can view and edit your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Click on the option to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new information is recorded. By following these steps, you can easily update your phone number on Kayak. Keeping your contact information current helps ensure you receive important notifications and updates.